Hello, everyone. So today you have an assignment, a very special assignment. Today you're going to be practicing adding fractions with different denominators or unlike fractions. And today you're going to be doing a little game. This is a maze. It has a start, it's right there. You have a finish, it's right here. And this is what you're going to be doing. You're going to be answering those additions, those simple additions, so you will see your way through the maze. You have a starting point, you have a finish point. You have to show me the way from the start to the finish. So this is what you're going to be doing. So the first one, for example, says 3/4 plus a half. 3/4 and a half. So I'm going to do this in another website so you can see how I am doing my calculations. In this one said the starting point, right? It says that we had 3/4, and we're gonna add 1/2. Sorry for that one. 1/2. There we go. A little bit prettier. So you have to look for it's very difficult, right? You have to find a common denominator between those two. You have different denominators here. 2 and 4 are different, therefore you have to find a common denominator. How can you find a common denominator? Well, you can find for your least common denominator or your common your least common multiple, right? That they have in common, so you can find that denominator. And I know that in this case, um, fourth, 4 is in the table of 2. Therefore, I know that my common denominator is going to be 4. So in this case, for example, I'm going to leave the 4 as it is because 4 is the common one. In my second one, I have to change that number 2 to a 4. And how do I do that? Well, I have to find the multiples that will give me 4. And I know that 2 times 2 is 4. Therefore, I'm going to multiply this by 2/2. So 2 times 2 is 2. And 2 times 2 is 4. Now I can add them, right? Now they have the same denominator. Therefore, I can add them. And I'm going to have 3 plus 2. How much is 3 plus 2? 5. And the denominator, you know that stays the same. Now I do still have a problem here. My numerator is bigger than my denominator, so I have to change this to a mixed fraction. How do I change this to a mixed fraction? Well, I have to divide, right? I'm going to do this in another color just so you see that is something different that I'm not doing there because I don't have too much space here. My denominator is going to go outside. My numerator is going to be inside. And I'm going to see how many times of the 4/5 fits in 5. One time. Then I'm going to subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. Therefore, my answer here is 1. That is my whole number there. What I had left, 1. And my denominator, 4. And that is my answer. Now that I know that 3/4 plus 1/2, oh sorry, plus a half is 1/4, I'm going to go back to my maze and I'm going to look for that answer and I see it right there. So I'm going to just try to color it as best as I can, okay? So I started it there, I moved there, this is my answer, I am here. Now I know I'm going to look for another color. Why? Because I like colors, but you can do this as any color as you want. And now I'm going to try to answer the other one. I'm going to try to answer this one. 2/3 plus 1/6, 1/6. And if this is the answer, then I'm going to answer that one. If this is the answer, then I'm going to answer this one. And so on until I get to the finish line. Now, once I finish, I have to take a picture of all my work, send it to my email. You know my email. And in that email, remember that your subject has to be your name, your last name, and the grade that you're on. If you are in 7-1, you're going to put 7-1. If you are in 7-2, you're going to put 7-2. So I will know who is who. If you have any questions or doubts, please feel free to text me through WhatsApp. As you know, all the teachers are gonna be getting vaccinated for COVID, so we are gonna be out of the computer. So please let me know by WhatsApp or text. Have an awesome day. Bye.